Let's make pasta e fagioli, also known as pasta fagioli in the US. It's budget-friendly, crowd-pleasing, weeknight-friendly, and packed with flavor. I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking. First, we're going to start by chopping about a quarter of an onion. I'm also going to chop up a tablespoon of fresh thyme. Fresh is best, but if you only have the dried from the jar, that works too. A tablespoon of oregano. Here I've got 3 basil leaves. Stack, roll, and slice them into ribbons for that bright aromatic hit. A little bit of parsley. Now we're going to chop up 3 ribs of celery. Chop into bite-sized pieces. Grab 4 cloves of garlic and let's head to the stove. In a Dutch oven or pot, add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Add your chopped onions and saute for about a minute, just until they start to soften and smell amazing. 1 pound of ground beef is our default, but today I'm using 2 pounds because that's what I have on hand. I typically use 1. Add 1 pound of ground mild Italian sausage. If your sausage is in links, squeeze it out so it cooks evenly. With a freeze, my store was out of ground sausage. Break it up and brown it well. This is where the depth of flavor begins. After browning, make sure you drain any fat. Now I'm using a garlic press to add 4 garlic cloves. You can find all of my tools in the description below or in my bio for other platforms. Give it a quick stir, then add 3 stalks of celery. Next, 1 16-ounce bag of frozen crinkle carrots. If you prefer, you can use fresh too. For the aromatics, 1 tablespoon thyme, 1 tablespoon oregano, 3 fresh basil leaves, and a touch of sugar, 1 tablespoon to balance the acidity. Stir well to combine, then add 1 can of petite diced tomatoes, 1 can of tomato sauce, and 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Pour in 6 cups of beef broth. That's the whole 32-ounce container plus 2 more cups. If you only have 1 container, substitute the extra 2 cups with water. Season with salt and pepper to your taste. Bring to a simmer, then cook and cover for 10 minutes before we add the rest. After 10 minutes, we're going to come back and add 1 box, which is 1 pound of Ditalini Pasta. We're also adding 1 can of red kidney beans and 1 can of Great Northern beans. Drain and rinse. Stir and bring the mixture back to a simmer. Cover and cook for about 12 minutes. In the meantime, I buttered up some French bread. I'm going to put it in the oven for about 6 to 7 minutes. After 12 minutes, finish with a generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese and a sprinkle of chopped parsley. Now it's time to plate this delicious hearty soup. I like to top mine with a little more cheese and parsley. And now for the taste test. Delicious. I hope you enjoyed this pasta e fagioli. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking.